Hello guys, welcome back to your own channel that is Smart English Learning with Sushma Ruhal. In this video, we will come to know how to get full marks in story writing with the tips, format and examples. And I'm saying that this is for all classes because story writing will remain same, format will remain same, but just only marking scheme will be different. In some classes it will be of 5 marks, in some classes it will be of 8 marks, and in some classes it will be of 10 marks. So accordingly we have to just increase its word limitation, but rest of the things will remain same. And if you want to watch my rest of the videos regarding grammar, writing section and literature part for all classes, you should subscribe the channel, go to the playlist and you can watch the video. Now, how to get full marks in story writing? Some tips of story writing. So what is story writing here? A story writing is an art of requires a lot of things. Means you have to just write the good communication there. You have to write the good conversion there about the story writing. It requires art of narrating things in an interesting way. Means whatever you have just faced something, whatever was happened with someone, you have to narrate the things in interesting way. Okay, so some slight of features are given here of story writing. What is story? Means something is already happened, something is already happened and you will just tell that in past tense. So that is your story writing. Means something, somebody is faced the same incident, then you have to describe the same incident in the story form. So how to write this one? Basically developing of story is a good story and needs of art of narration. Means it needs the art of narration. Means art of narration means you should have the skill of narrating the story there. Next means you have to use the basic theme. Basic theme you have to introduce there, and they are not supposed to invent a new or different theme. Means to say whatever the starting is given to you, whatever the theme is given to you, you have to follow only that thing. No need to add your own things, no need to add your own or different theme here. Means to say you have to work on the same theme which is given to you in the question, and within the given limitations, word limitation with the enough space, you have to give them. And next is the beginning and conclusion and ending lines should also describe in the story. So how many ways are there of writing story? There can be 3 ways. From given outline, given outline means some lines will be given to you, like in the beginning 2 or 3 lines will be given to you. Means a particular situation will be given to you, beginning situation. On the basis of that you have to develop a story. Second can be story based on a moral. Some moral will be given to you. On the basis of that you will just develop the story. And from incomplete hints means somehow some incomplete hints will be given to you, and then you have to develop a story. I'll just say tell you everything. So 5 key elements or stages of writing story, these are the tips. First of all, characters should be there in that story. Setting also be there, properly setting of the characters. Plot should also include in that. Conflict means some kind of dispute or conflict will be in the story. And some theme based, it should not be that you are not getting any moral. If you will not get any moral from the story, that story will not be considered actual story. And you have to describe what happens in that story. What is the storyline given in the beginning, you have to follow that. What actions you have to include in that? Flashback, climax, conflict, resolving a conflict means how will you resolve, how will you sort out the problem, how will you sort out that conflict, you have to include in that. Create conflict and tension means story, you know what is actual story writing, you have to create one conflict and you have to create some tension, some problem in the story, and at the end then you will rectify everything, you will sort out the problem also. That is your actually story writing. Opposition between characters will be there. Okay, their internal or external conditions you have to include there. Balance also, you have to maintain the balance between most of the conflicts there. At the end of the story you have to maintain balance also. Okay, mystery, some mystery मीन्स यहाँ पे कुछ रहस्य भी होने चाहिए आपके स्टोरी राइटिंग में. एम्पावरमेंट होनी चाहिए आपकी. सरप्राइज, some surprising thing also you have to include in story writing. And empathy, some are क्राइसिस एंड क्लाइमेक्स मीन्स कुछ क्राइसिस होने चाहिए, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आपको इसमें क्रिएट करनी है, कुछ क्लाइमेक्स होना चाहिए इसमें, टर्निंग पॉइंट ऑफ द स्टोरी मीन्स यू हैव टू राइट द स्टोरी दैट सम टर्निंग पॉइंट वाज देयर मीन्स उसमें फिर कुछ चेंज भी आना जरूरी है। ये नहीं कि कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ही चलता रहेगा, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के बाद उसको सॉर्ट आउट भी करना मीन्स यू हैव टू सॉर्ट आउट दैट प्रॉब्लम आल्सो एंड रिजोल्यूशन सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट आल्सो यू हैव टू गेट open type readers view and resolve clear cut outcome. Clear cut outcome means clear cut you have to sort out the problem here parallel to the beginning or same of the starting of the story, and you have to use the dialogues of the characters and closing image also you have to see. Sometime one image will be given to you just like this one, like one image is given of the emperor there, okay, and his ministers, so they will give you some picture and this will be just like picture composition, or you can say this is on the base of the picture. Like in 10th class what was coming there, one picture was given to you and on the basis of that picture you had to complete a story there. But it can be 9th class also the same, okay, in 8th class, 7th, 6th class. So sometime they will give you the picture and on the basis of picture you have to write a story, begin a story, okay, create a climax there, create some problem, after that sort out the problem, and then happy ending should be of the story writing. Now second type will be the that somebody was writing the story but he forgot to write and you have to help to complete the story just like this. Outlines will be given to you, like see outline is given, like some lines are given to you, some clues are given, like went to the explore forest dash dash dash, lost the way dashes are given, means to say wherever the dash are given to you, you have to add some more lines, some more things, some more conversation, some more dialogues you have to write it. Dialogues means to say that you have to add some more lines here, some more lines here you have to add. It doesn't mean that in the fill in the blank you will fill only one word, no, you will not fill one word, मीन्स इन fill in the blanks में आपको ये नहीं है कि आपको सिर्फ सिंगल वर्ड ही फिल करना है, इनमें आपको कुछ लाइंस, कुछ ऐसी लाइंस ऐड करनी है कि वो उसको नेक्स्ट लाइन को कनेक्ट करे, ओके, लाइक जो लोस्ट द वे, अब वो लोस्ट हो गया उसका वे, वेंट आउट टू एक्सप्लोर फॉरेस्ट, ओके, फॉरेस्ट को एक्सप्लोर करने गया था, लॉस द वे, अपना रास्ता खो गया, इसके बीच में भी तो कुछ हैपनिंग हुई होगी, दैट हैपनिंग यू हैव टू डिस्क्राइब, लाइक एड 2 or 3 लाइंस एवरी टाइम, here also you have to add 2 or 3 lines, like lost the way, away from the camp, भी अपना रास्ता खो गया और कैंप से दूर चला गया, तो इसके बीच में भी आपको 2-3 लाइंस ऐड करनी है, यहाँ पे 2-3 ऐड लाइन करनी है, मीन्स इन ईच एंड एवरी फिल इन द ब्लैंक, फिलअप्स मीन्स डजंट मीन दैट यू हैव टू फिल विद वन वर्ड, ये नहीं कि सिर्फ वन वर्ड से आपको इसको फिल करना है, आपको इसमें सेंटेंसेस डालने हैं, सेंटेंस डाल के एक कंप्लीट स्टोरी आपने यहाँ पे डेवलप करनी है, एज देयर इज गिवन, okay, like 2 boys in a jungle mein 2 boys. First of all, what is the format of writing story? The very first you have to write a title of the story, and at the end you have to write a moral also, because the story writing title and moral will consider 1 mark each, okay, 1 mark for moral writing, one for dialogue, one for your title writing, so 2 marks will be for this one and rest for the content. And you can see it clearly that it is given in past tense, like Viru and Karim were young, okay, were young means were is showing you the past tense here, here also their school was going, so was again showing you past tense here, and means joined the camp means this is once again past tense, means to say the beginning is with this one, and you can see how many lines are added here to complete that story. So this is about your story. How many types of story I told you there? I told you the story types. One was there, beginning lines were given to you, second was there given about the clues there, and one type can be there that you will get the ending lines, and then you have to write the story, you have to complete the story. So thank you so much for watching the video. Have a wonderful day everybody.